Good morning, everybody. We got green futures today. All right, let's see what's going on. So, apparently, I think the NYCB caused the market jump up plus Fed comments. At 7:20, NYCB came in and says, we're gonna have a new board member, chairman, or whatever, and then it jumped up and it pulled back right now. What it made future jump up. I hate this Thinkorswim. You click on the last and pops the trading. Anyhow, they changed the settings on Thinkorswim. ES, so pre-market right now looking bullish. 5 is up, 15:31 hours upward, 4-hour MACD got a golden cross. Daily and weekly is upward. So it's all about 49.92.33. If that one breaks, looking at 5,006, 18, and 550, 30, 29. That's the next key levels. SPX watch right now is 17 points higher. So 17 plus 54. We are looking at 49.75 almost. 49.75. That's a key level. Let me tell you exact key level. 49.7508. If that one passed, we're looking at 49.91 and 5,541. Those are the next major levels. NQ pre-market is more bullish than other indexes. 515, everything is upward. 4 hours near golden cross. If that one confirms, tech can rip up higher. Dow Jones, and please like the video, helps a lot. 15 and 30 is upward. One daily is still flat, but 4 hour got a golden cross. RUT, 1 hour is golden cross, 4 hours still upward. We got a dark blue bar, but right now flashed to light blue bar again because of the bounce up yesterday. So we'll see if the small caps were strong yesterday. AFRM, UPSD, Carvana, they were very strong yesterday. TNX 0.54 higher. It's probably gonna consolidate between 40.42 and 41.68. It was very volatile last week and made bond market very volatile. Once it breaks either one, it can make a bigger effect on the market. Wix is going under 13. Next key level is 12.1, and keep in mind low of the season was 1181. So if 12.1 passes, it can get really interesting. Weekly is still golden cross, but it's interesting. Yesterday daily MACD curved down very sharply, and right now is dead cross. SPX, as I mentioned, 49.75. That's a key level to watch. If that one passes, 49.91, it's easy to come. BTC pre-market showing some strength. 15:31 hours upward, 4 hours golden cross, and daily is upward. It's just in a tight range in the daily. If you watch, if it breaks the range, it can make a bigger move. Apple got an upgrade. 190 finally reached. So if it jumps up higher, 191.7 is the next key level. Breaks that one, 192, 193, 194.02 is the next target. Pre-market 15 to 30 is looking bullish. 1 hour, same thing. Amazon still weak after earning, but is trying to hold 170. 1 hour is golden cross finally, which is a good sign. And watch for 170. If that one breaks, we're looking at 171.42, 173.24 next target. 4 hours still we have dark blue bars, but 1 hour is looking promising. Nvidia was a disaster yesterday, but keep in mind, let me show you guys something here. Parabolic moves, they go like this and they don't fail like this, they fail like that. So this was a small fail yesterday, and then it's possible to go higher. We're still very bullish on daily and weekly. Once the daily MACD dead cross, weekly we get a dark blue bar and a big red day comes, then we can talk about a big dump. Until then, this one is possible to go higher. So 684, watch that one. If that one passes, we're looking at 689, 694, 699. But again, 4 hour pre-market right now, 5:15:30 is upward. If 1 hour MACD golden cross past 684, 690, we're looking for 700 possible to come this week again. 4 hour, but general is dead cross. If 674 can hold it, can go retest low of yesterday, 664.25. AVGO gap up open 10 points pre-market. 15:30 1 hour is upward. 4 hours kind of on a dead cross. Need to pass 12:48 for run up. If it goes below 12:15, those are the next support levels. Baba, I had the earning was okay, but market didn't like it for seems like it. 73 if you can hold it. 72.01, 71.08 next can come. If it needs to go above 75.37 for run up to the higher level. Netflix. We got dark blue bar on daily. 4 hours still bearish. 1 hour got a golden cross, but every time it jumps up, it just fails and goes lower. So need to pass 561 for run up to the higher level, 565. But if 558 can hold it, we're looking at 555, 553. Below 553, it can go to the next major, 547. Meta is still weak, 2 points higher pre-market. 1 hour got a golden cross finally. Need to pass 458 for run up. This one has a lot of gap, and I'm sure bearish people drawing some boxes here says, "Oh, we have a big gap to fill." But for now, 1 hour got a golden cross, so most likely it's gonna hold here unless 454 passes. If 454 passes, we're looking at 450, 445. But 458, if today can passes, futures are green. If 458 pass, 459, 461, 463 is next major. Above 463 can get the squeezy back to 470. Tesla, 4 hour got a golden cross yesterday, and 1 hour was very bullish yesterday. It had a very nice pop at open, but it didn't continue. It pulled back, then it run up again into the close, which is a good sign. And today was a gap up, and then the news came about layoff. There's a possibility of layoff, which is good and bad. Good news and bad news. It's good because they bring the cost down. A market liked it right now. It jumps 4 points higher after the news of rumor of layoff news. But keep in mind, layoff news is not so much good either for Tesla. If it gets confirmed, can affect it bad, because that means maybe they're slowing down, maybe they have a slower production, so stuff like that. So just keep in mind, it's good and bad together. But anyhow, until the 1 hour is not dead cross, this one can continue going higher, and it's possible to do a multi-day run up. Yesterday was green, today is green, and 191.05. If it opens and pass, we're looking at 194.18, 197.31. As I keep mentioning last few weeks, my major target to come is 207.75. When it comes, I'm not sure. 197 pass, those are the next target. But again, 189 if it fails there, if in case it fails. Pre-market right now we're looking for very bullish, but if 189 fails, those are the next support level. Microsoft 2 points higher. 4 hour is curved up. 1 hour 30 and 15 is upward. Need to pass 409 to run up to 411. If 411 pass, those are the next level. Google. 1 hour is upward. Need to pass 145. If this one pass 145, it's just like a mental level. Then it can go to 146.33, and if it gets crazy, 148.94. As I mentioned, Google, Apple recovered a lot after the earnings, so maybe Google has a chance too. AMD. Big dump yesterday, but right now is in the recovery mode. All about 170.12. If 170.12 passed, we're looking at 170, 172, and 173.62 next major level. Again, if it goes below 167, retest 165, 164.46. 4 hour is still bearish, and daily too. Boeing was kind of strong yesterday, but bad news keeps coming in. Daily is still bullish. 4 hours same. Need to pass 210 for run up to 211.95. If it passed 211.95 anytime this week or next week, it has a chance for run up to the higher level, 214, 218, 223. SPY almost at all-time high, right? Yeah, so 1 penny away. All about 496.45. If that one passes, next major level is 499.75. I will get those level. QQQ, all-time high is 430.24, very close to it right now. So it's all about 431.55. That's the next major level. If that one passes, 436.79, that's the next major level. IWM, IWM, if it jumps up, 196.97 is the next major. 1530 is upward. 1 hour is near golden cross. What else? You got Airbnb, 5 points recovery. 614 is a key for fly up. 614 passes, 617, 621, 625. What else you got here? Um, that's pretty much on the major names. LLY was very interesting yesterday. It opened and it dumped big, and this one is just it's very usual for LLY to make a new all-time high and dump big. Yeah, so this one right now 15 and 30 is upward. Need to pass 720 for run up again. If 720 passes, we're looking at 735 and 758 next major levels. Um, what else? PayPal was very strong yesterday too. Need to pass 64.95. If that one passes, we're looking at 65, 66, and 67.5. Earning is after close today. But Roku was strong yesterday too. 4 hour got a golden cross. Yeah, it was in the golden cross mode yesterday. Daily is upward, so keep an eye on 94.6. That one passed 96.15, and earning is next week. Maybe goes to 100 before that. SMCI keeps going higher. Right now it's kind of flat pre-market, so if it jumps at open, you're looking at 690, 710, 37. If 670 can hold it, supports at 657, 640, and 626. To a snow 3 points higher. 216 right now is there, so if it jumps up more, 219, 222. What else you got here? AFRM, as I mentioned, these names are getting a little bit squeezy. Daily MACD is upward, so keep an eye on these. If it goes crazy, 45.17, 48.41 next target. Carvana, this one, if 50 passes, we're looking at 54 and 57. It's possible to get a squeezy. CMG earning was good, but yeah, it's going up, so gonna ignore this one for me for today. Snap big dump. ENPH, nice earning there too. Nice reaction to the earning. 121 is the next key level. If past that one, can get crazy. 128, 141, those are the next major level, and these are the minor levels. FTNT crazy level, crazy earning too. It actually helped PanW. PanW is making a new high. This one next major is 355.69. If past that one, 361, 366. To Roblox, good earning too. This one, if 45 passes, we're looking at 45.65, 49.96 next major. FSLR only 5 points higher, so it's possible to jump up more. 150.45 is highly possible to come. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and have a beautiful day. And as always, if you like, you can join the service, say the option service, and please like the video, helps a lot. Thank you. Have a beautiful day.